Okay, just for clarification, this isn't sponsored by Milwaukee, or this hasn't been donated to us by Milwaukee. It's just something that we like, so we thought we'd do a review on it. And yeah, now that's out of the way, let's get on with it. Hey guys, we're just going to do a quick review on this Milwaukee M18 job site radio charger. As it says, it's a radio charger, so it's got the capability of being without power, uses the battery to run, and of course, being a charger, it charges the battery if you need it to. It's also got a USB connector in there running at 2.1 amps, so it's a relatively quick charge for your phones. And also Bluetooth to stream any radio that you want, your Spotify or Pandora, whatever streaming app that you use. It's got a nice big dial at the front here, so if you've got your gloves on or anything like that, you can easily grab that and turn it up and down. The clock face on the front works pretty well in bright light, so we've had it outside and we've had no real issues with it reading the time on there if that's what you're after. It's got 10 preset station positions, so you can program your favourite radio stations in there if that's what you're after. It boasts 40 watts of volume power, so it gets quite loud, especially in a small workshop. We've had to turn it down quite a bit because basically we can't speak to each other when it's roaring away. So inside the box here, you get an AUX cable. On the left hand side of it, just here, is where the battery goes for the clock, so it holds the memory on the clock there. And of course, USB connection there. I find the USB connection just a little bit hard to get into. It's not painful, but yeah, could it be a little bit easier. This storage compartment too is supposed to be weather resistant, so if you've got something that you need to put in there that you need to keep out of weather, because you've got it outdoors, you're working outside, it'll keep out of weather. So we'll spin around the back. And you can see the 240 connector, or whatever voltage that you use in your country. It'll come with that if you bought it there. Battery, whatever size battery you want to stick on there. And of course, it's got a flexible air antenna there, so you don't have a metal one, because the metal ones, they break close. It's got a bit of flexibility in it, and that keeps it getting from damaged. It's got some nice big handles there for grip, carrying around. It's got a bottle opener there, so if you're having a few cold ones outside, you can easily open your bottles with it there. It's got some rubber legs on the bottom, and it weighs about just under 8 kg or 17 pounds. So it's very sturdy. It's a strong unit, and pretty hard to knock over, but it's got it's protected. It's got casing around the sides here, so if you do knock it over, it's not going to smash on the interface here. So we'll put the Bluetooth on. So that's just running through the Bluetooth there. And yeah, so overall we're really happy with it. We like our Milwaukee gear. We're getting a few little things going now, and it makes sense to us to grab that. We've got the hood light that you might have seen in the other video. If you haven't, watched the other video about the hood lamp. That's a really good item, and it just made sense to carry on with the Milwaukee gear for us to keep it all uniform. So yeah, anyway, that's a Milwaukee radio, and so if you like this review, hit that like button and subscribe for our other videos, and check for our other videos and have a look at them. See you in the next one.